Hello, little friend.
Welcome to ABLETV.
Like, comment, and subscribe to ABLETV YouTube channel.
This is the Yawning Little Lion. Little Lion plays all day. Tiny roar. The sun goes down. Lion yawns. Yawn. Mama Lion hugs him close. Stars sparkle above. Hush, hush. Lion sleeps peacefully.
Thank you for watching ABLETV channel.
Subscribe, like, and comment on ABLETV YouTube channel
For more videos.